Hey, what's going on YouTube? Will here from All Electric, back again with another video. And today we're taking a look at the Gotrax XR Elite.
Huge thank you goes out to Akrama Tool, Nikola Pro, and Drone Quote supporting this channel at the All Electric tier. Click the link down below and support this channel for as little as $1 a month.
This scooter actually has a 300-watt hub motor in the front wheel. It's a lot more powerful than some of the other scooters that I've tested from Gotrax. Another impressive stat with this scooter is it has 18 miles of range. Now, of course, that's rated range from the manufacturer, but I'll be doing my own testing with that, and I'll let you guys know later on in the video what I actually got from a full charge with this scooter. But still, 18 miles of range. You can tell that they're using really high quality batteries in these more expensive top of the line scooters. Also, to increase visibility, because this is designed as a commuting scooter, they upgraded this front headlight on the scooter. So now you have a upgraded LED front headlight along with tons of reflectors all over the scooter to increase visibility if you were to ride this at night, or let's say early in the morning you're commuting to work on this thing. Now, as of this recording, the price for this scooter is $399, but I will keep the link below down in the description updated with the lowest price that I found online. So some of you guys might notice I don't have my regular blue sunglasses that I typically wear when I'm testing, scooters or electric skateboards or what have you. These I picked up from Shady, and what I really like about these is they're so lightweight, and also if I lose them or break them, they'll replace them for me. So I actually get another new pair if I break these. Like let's say if they fall off and I run over them with this scooter during this test video, they'll just send me a new replacement pair.
Now this latch that you see in the back here that holds this handlebar down to the back wheel so you can lift it up easier is the exact same latch that we've seen before. All you do is simply depress this down, and then that allows you to lift up the handlebar, and just pressing this down like that, it'll actually clip into itself. So really nice design. They haven't changed that again from older models that I've seen. We do have an upgraded tail light, it looks like here, and upgraded reflector as well on the back. Now, something that I did want to show is just how easy this thing is to unfold. Once you undo the clip on the rear wheel, all you do is pull up the handlebar and it snaps right into place like that. But to lower the scooter, let's say you're on the scooter and you're getting ready to hop on a bus to finish your commute, all you do is pull out this pin here and then pull this red bar forward and it'll start to fold down and then clip into itself. So easy to fold. Literally just takes a couple seconds to fold and unfold this scooter.
Now, something really cool I want to show you guys that they did. They actually added this little piece here on the shaft that's hard to see in the video. It prevents this front bar from twisting. So older models would actually have this bar when you're, let's say, standing up and holding it. This whole thing would twist, right? So now this front wheel is fixed in a stationary position, which makes it a lot more comfortable to hold. So really nice design change there and a lot more comfortable. Although this is a pretty heavy scooter, but because of that little design change, and then you also have Another secure point back here that we've seen on older models, but it makes it so comfortable to hold because this bar is not going to twist on you like older models would twist, like I was saying with this piece up here that they added. So a really nice design change with this scooter over previous models. You also get the view of the larger motor. Now it's still a hub motor, so it doesn't take up any additional room. You can see the XR Elite has a 300 watt motor compared to the GXL V2 that I tested with only a 250 watt motor. Now I would like to see them offer a airless tire. I know some people have posted that they actually had a flat tire, which can be a huge pain in the butt. I understand why they don't want to, and that's because they don't have to put any sort of shock in here if they have air tires, because that air in the tires is going to act like the shock absorber. All right, let's go jump into some testing. Now, of course, before I did my full testing, I plugged the scooter in, which is super easy. It plugs in just like you would expect. Really easy, not going to go over that. If you can plug in an iPhone, you can plug in a scooter. So I waited for this battery to charge fully before I did take it on my test. So this test covered about 17.5 miles. So this scooter is rated at 18.6 miles, and I was able to get 17.5 miles, which is absurd. I mean, this is a crazy distance for a scooter, and my legs were so tired after riding it for that long. Now, the air-filled tires did provide a decent amount of cushion, but it was still showing me that it would be really challenging to commute over, I would say, 15 miles on this scooter. So I feel like a range of about 17 miles is plenty for anybody that plans on using this as a commute or something to get around town really easy. Now, something that I definitely don't want to gloss over is the size of this motor. This larger, more powerful 300 watt motor is capable of climbing up hills a lot faster, and it was definitely really noticeable during my testing. Now, my testing did include a lot of significant hills, and I was so impressed with how easy it was to climb those hills. Now, of course, once my battery got really low, the ability to climb those hills definitely fell off a bit. The drop off in power only happened at the end of the test, so don't be worried. This thing has a lot of power and a lot of juice, and it's really fun to ride. Now, I've tested all of Gotrax's scooters, and this is definitely their best electric scooter that they offer. If you want all the range, durability, and performance that an e-scooter can offer, then you definitely want this scooter. I'm going to leave a link below for you down in the description where you can purchase one today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, I will see you guys in the next one.